There we go. We're live. Good morning, everybody. Let's see what we got here. Let's take a quick look here at financial juice. We had U.S. trade balance this morning. U.S. jobless claims. That was at 5:30 or 8:30 East Coast. So we sold off a little bit on that news. What else we got here? Switch this guy over to ES.
Music licensing reimagined.
EIA natural gas change 10:30. That's about it. Hey Terrence, good morning. How are you doing? Did you survive FOMC yesterday? So looking like we got 3 people in my X, 2 people in Nick's X, 2 people in my YouTube, 1 person in Nick's YouTube. Good morning. Good morning. I traded a bit on FOMC. I passed 2 evaluations. I passed the end of 2 evaluations, and I hit max daily loss on one of my evaluations. So I had one evaluation that was down at, I only had about $500 profit, and I got max daily loss on one of the pullbacks. I was trying to long it, and yeah, I'd pulled back and I went a little too heavy, but I can only have 5 funded accounts with Lucid. So, and I had 6 total accounts, 2 funded already and 4 evaluations. So technically I can only pass 3 of them. So that's why I kind of risked one of them so heavily. But yeah, I ended up hitting max daily loss on that one, and ended up passing the 2 other ones after that. So now I have 4 funded accounts with Lucid. Took my first trade in the new funded accounts, copy trading all 4 last night. Just a small little base hit. So hey, there's Nick. Morning.
I was listening to you, trying to get my shit together. Good morning, Terrence, Czar, Erkan. I was just talking to you.
Erkan. No way. How's it going, man? We're always seeing lots of Erkan in what is it? Prop for match.
Yeah, I'm actually gonna be on prop for a match tomorrow.
Nice.
Zach sent me a text message this morning because he doesn't answer his Discord messages ever.
Nice. Yeah.
So yesterday I purchased an Apex account because I told you I'm teaching my nephew how to trade, right?
Yeah.
So we got matching Apex accounts and we'd be twins. So I passed that last night.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah. That's pretty awesome.
My first YM trade ever, and ended up pulling the $3,028 or something out of it, and just passed the account in one trade.
Yeah, that's freaking awesome. I saw that.
Licensing reimagined.
Nice patience. It was like, what, 2 hours long?
About 2.5 hours.
Yeah. Killer. I traded FOMC too. I hit max daily loss in one account and I passed 2 other evals.
Yeah, I heard you say that you passed 2 of them. I didn't know you hit max daily loss on one.
Yeah, the first one, I went a little too heavy, and then in one of the pullbacks, it hit the max daily loss, and I was like,
Gotcha.
But that one,
just-
I mean, I was kind of trying. I was YOLOing that account really because I can only have 5 funded, right? I already had 2 funded accounts, and then I had 4 evals left, and 2 of them were about 500 away from passing, and the other one's at 1600, and the other one was at like 500. So I kind of like YOLO'd the 500 one to see if I could get that one through. But so it's still live, but yeah, no big deal. Kind of planned the risk on it anyways. But for transparency, Dow's ripping right now.
Dow's ripping. ES is dropping. I think I might trade YM today again. Just learn how to
It's looking pretty good.
read this price action here.
Right up to previous day high. Yeah, NQ and ES both a little bit bearish. I mean, this is the thing, right? We always see NQ being bearish, and then ES is a little bit better because YM's going up.
Yeah.
All right.
So I'm just now starting to learn, get into the points of control and the liquidity stuff on Arbucci's videos. Jesus. Wow. YM is ripping.
Yeah. 160 to 303 already. Roughly. Well, it's like, I guess it was, it was 163.
Music licensing reimagined.
Man, that's crazy.
Yeah, it dropped down to 161.20. Wow. All right.
Yeah, unfortunately,
I wish it was
happened before the first 15 minutes.
It's making me wish I break my rules more often.
Right? Let's see here. We do have the Zach's mechanical model still available on both indices. I'm going to watch ES for a minute here and look for that trade to present.
Music licensing reimagined.
We're actually just about to invert a fair value gap right out of the gate. So
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
those guys on ASFX are Randy and brain fart.
Austin, Evan.
Nope.
James.
James, sorry, yeah. James was talking about both of them were talking about YM. Like, oh, YM's going crazy.
Ooh.
So we did actually get that inversion. So if we can get a closure back below value area high, I think I might try that short on ES here, because we did invert. we just inverted a 5-minute fair value gap not long ago.
So I just broke my rules and took on YM at 48,312, and I'm up
Nice.
140, 175. 65, 75, 70, 75, 90. So I put my stop loss up into profit already. And yeah.
Very nice.
So I'm just going to leave that be for a little while. See if it does anything fun. Keeps going up, I'm hoping. I broke my rules. If this turns around and bites me, well, it can't bite me in the ass. I'm already got my stop loss in profit.
Yeah.
So, happened. Acting like a degenerate.
Well, sounds like it's no harm, no foul on that trade.
Yeah. It's up $220 right now, so.
Yeah.
I'm okay with that for less than a minute trade. Oh, Ercon's still in his shorts from pre-market. Were you on NQ or ES?
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, wow. I'm going to move my stop up to $100 in profit.
Yeah, I'm in that trade now too. Actually, I'm up 200, trailing.
You in a mini?
I had 2 minis actually. It's in my 150K val. One contract out, 2 contracts out. $145 anyways. So
I just locked in 180. I'm up 355 right now.
Nice. Yep.
Single contract, single account.
Very nice. Yeah, I took one at 75 and one at 81, I think it was. 74 and 91. And then I sold them both. 80 and 94.
And you're in what now?
I'm out. I closed those 2.
Oh, Jesus.
Still going higher.
Yep. I'm going to move my stop loss to positive 225.
Very nice. Very nice.
Wow. This is a good morning.
Yeah. Right out of the gate. Well, we got that inverted fair value gap. Almost up 500.
Yeah, up almost 500 within the first 20 minutes of the New York Open.
Yeah. So even though we got that inverted fair value gap, so far looks like it's I've been patient trying to wait for this to actually trade lower, but it doesn't seem to be yet. And it kind of re-inverted it on the next 5-minute candle. So maybe the model isn't. Today was a good day to not take it. Maybe.
Yes.
Yeah, I was looking at ES. We had a fair value gap from the 9-10 candle, bullish one, and it got inverted, and then we actually closed higher on it. So, oh, you're still going higher.
Licensing reimagined.
Back up to the highs there on YM.
Lock in $300.
And Zach took the mechanical model on NQ, and he's about pretty. I think he just closed his trade. So nice W for him too. So if I would have been watching NQ rather than, I should have actually thought about that, because with Dow being so bullish, it's going to affect the ES, right? I should have been looking at NQ for that mechanical model. So that's why we didn't really get that move lower.
Music licensing reimagined.
Wow.
You still in that guy, eh?
Yeah. He's just ripping.
Yeah, this is what I've always been saying, and it's like way back, even when Randy was in stream, like they were always looking at ES. I'm like, wow, YM's just ripping. Oh my god, every day.
I mean, I'm not comfortable trading this yet because I don't have any experience in it other than yesterday and now this morning, but I'm in a single mini on this 5 minutes after the open, and I'm up $600. So
yeah,
Music licensing reimagined.
yeah,
locking in 375. Oh wait, no, I'm not, because we got 375.
nice. Yeah, actually, I probably should have had 2 contracts. I should have held the second one. Could have left that one break even,
Artlist.io.
or at least in profit. Gotta work on trying to hold my trades a little bit more.
Yeah, me too. I'm not great at holding trades for a long time, so yesterday was kind of painful for me, especially
Yeah,
trading the Asian session. I'm garbage at holding trades for an extended period.
Yeah.
Wow, Dave. All right, I'm up $700.
Nice. You have a max daily profit on that one?
This is my personal account. This is just
okay.
cash.
Hell yeah.
It's all cash in my pocket. Shit, this $700, that'll get me like 2 cups
morning,
of coffee
Darren.
at Starbucks. I locked in profits. I'm just gonna let this go and see what it does for the rest of the day. Hey Darren, how's it going? Did you just put pound me too? Yes, I am old enough to call that. I'm old enough to call that a pound sign, not a hashtag. First time I ever saw the hashtag me too, I was like, pound me too. What the?
Pound me too. Oh.
Dave,
Yeah.
why didn't you convince me to trade YM earlier? I thought we were friends. Seriously, I thought we
Yeah.
were friends.
I'm in the short now.
Music licensing
I'm holding this short on YM.
You're holding a short?
Stopped in profit.
All right.
Locking in a bit. There we go. So I made another 75 bucks on that quick scalp on the short there.
That was, damn. You scalped it short on an uptrend when it got what, right to the top of the.
No, I waited for
Okay.
it to start turning red there
IO.
on that next 5-minute candle.
All right.
I was kind of watching it around 50, and it popped up to about 76, and then once it got below 50 and it headed towards 40, I was okay. There we go. And I shouldn't, like, at that point, it could have went the other way, just like it did there, almost. I mean, I'm out, but
Yeah, you're out now, so you're safe. I'm still in it, but
it's heading lower. Wonder if ES is gonna start making that lower. ES is trying to go lower right now. Two and a half minutes on this candle here. Kind of waiting for a closure still. If we get a closure below value area high, we'll still consider taking this short idea on. So we do have some more bullish fair value gaps on the 5. Just a little bit lower.
locking in 450 here. After this little pullback, I'm only up
Music licensing reimagined.
520, 525.
Only. All right,
I-
I'm in that short.
I mean-
I'm gonna get stopped right here, but let's see if we can get some more continuation on the ES. 3 contract short, kind of up 30, 40 bucks now.
All right, I just took my $450 in profit. So,
IO.
all right, I'm up 1,600 for the day.
Damn, real money.
Yeah, that's in my real account. That ain't none of that prop nonsense.
IO.
Prop sense. I'm gonna try to lock in about 50 bucks if I can get there on this ES trade here.
I'll be looking for another long on this pullback on YM, probably around
Music
365.
You closed
Somewhere
that
around there.
1600. Thanks. I'm up 50, 60 bucks right now on this short on the ES right now. Still going more, trailing quick. Up 86, up 90, 100, 108. Oh wow, what a drop on ES here. Oh my lord. Okay, 7 points in profit on 3 contracts here.
Artlist IO.
Locking that in. I'm gonna start scaling
Selling it,
out
Dave.
most of the time here.
I'm proud of you, Dave. Don't mess us up. Wow, that's a huge drop.
Covering a couple more here. Stops in profit. There we go. We're out. So, all right, 114 in my 50k top 1 futures account on that drop.
Hell yes.
Woo, that was a nice one. This is a
Yeah.
good morning so far,
Yeah. Man, I wish we could do this every day.
right? Just come in and just lock in.
Just
some
lock in
super green
profits like
trades.
right off the rip.
Be like,
Shit,
okay, guys, have a good day. We're out of here.
Artlist
it
IO.
is
The dream.
9:50 and we're done.
Yeah, I pretty much hit my target on that trade too. Almost 12 points in profit. I mean, it got there, but I was trailing and it bounced a little bit before it hit my stop, my target. But yeah, 54, 53. Yeah, it's pretty much right at the. I closed it right at the bottom of my target there. So, hey, there's Daniel. Good morning. It's been a minute. Oh, it's
Daniel.
Thursday. We usually see some of you guys on Thursdays from back in the day when we used to have Randy bless us with his presence.
Randy's just he's too big
Randy
for,
and Christine.
for us. Christine
Randy's too
just
big for us small guys.
I know. Terrence over here with his take the money and run. That seems to be
Yep.
Terrence's advice on the daily. Take
Nice,
the money and run.
nice.
Good job.
Yeah, these trades worked out real good. That was that ES trade was like, wow, it really went. And we're at the point of control. So, you know, Zach's always talks about that 80% setup, right?
Mhm.
Well, that played out very nicely today.
Artlist.io.
I'm gonna have to start learning all of Zach's little tips and tricks.
Yeah, they're definitely
His
helpful.
setups and
Yeah.
oh yeah, I mean everything's helpful, but the more you know, the better off you are in just about any situation.
Yeah, London lows got swept on NQ. ES has still got quite a bit of space. And looks like Dow is trying to hold this area, trying to hold New York VWAP, I guess.
Music licensing reimagined.
I don't even want to take another trade right now after this.
No, I mean, why? Right?
Actually, yeah, I'm gonna close up
Or
my.
switch accounts or something, right? Yeah, Erkan, we both took some money. Well, Nick took a bunch of money out of YM. I think you're up 1,600 in his cash account.
Yeah.
Real money, and I took about, what did I get? I took 225 out of YM with the long and a short trade, and then I took
Music licensing reimagined.
115 out of ES. So yeah, very nice, very nice.
See, you with your going long and then going short. I knew you swing both ways. I knew that about
Yeah.
you.
I should have held that
feeling.
short though, hey. Like if I would have held that short, like it's freaking
Oh yeah,
way back down there. That's what I mean about the YM. Like when it reverses, it likes to reverse big time. So
just erasing everything that it put on there in the open.
Exactly. Especially because, you know, ES and NQ are looking so heavy too, right? Wow, look at NQ just completely annihilated the London lows. It's probably going to be going to Asia lows.
Yeah, YM is sitting in that channel between New York and midnight.
That's too bad I didn't take those trades in my 4 Lucid funded accounts. Copy trade.
It is the beauty of copy trading. Just with how everything's been this past couple of weeks, I haven't really wanted to copy that much.
Yeah.
Just a little bit gun shy.
Hindsight says today would have been a good day, right?
Oh yeah. But
But,
being the holiday
I mean,
season,
not for you. I
volume,
mean, I think I would rather get 1,600 in my cash account personally, but
yeah.
or however much traded or locked in there.
Yeah, locked in the 1,600. So,
Beautiful.
and I'm flat in that account. So, yeah, $1,673.58.
Very nice.
But the way things are, to decrease, markets still tend to grind up slowly. But
Yeah.
I don't want to get chopped out copy trading 25, 50, 75 accounts
Artlist.io.
and then end up losing that much.
Yeah.
So tomorrow is jobs, right? Is the jobs report? Yes, tomorrow is jobs.
Music licensing reimagined.
Excuse me.
I don't see that on the list for December 12th. Spanish core, German Fed's hammock speaks, Canadian wholesale Fed Goldsby speaks, oil and rig count.
That's
I
weird.
don't
That
see
was
jobs.
jobs was the 5th. For some reason, it's showing up on my calendar on the 12th. Jobs was last Friday, right?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, we got jobless claims today. That was this morning at 5:30 a.m. or 8:30 a.m. U.S. jobless claims.
CPI.
U.S. trade balance. CPI's today?
I mean, I think this calendar's jacked. Hold on. It says CPI, and then tomorrow it says jobs, but jobs was last Friday.
Well, jobs is today, this pre-market. U.S. initial jobless claims was at 8:30 a.m. on December 11th. Is what Financial Juice is saying. Well, what are we doing here, boys? We still haven't taken London low on ES. And looks like the Dow held the previous day high, and we had left a pretty big bullish fair value gap with that first 5-minute candle. That's kind of where it was. So I noticed you have one in your YouTube this morning. I think it might be Urcon. You're christening his account. Urcon.
Yeah, I don't know if I've ever had anyone watching in the YouTube account before.
Typically nobody's in.
Oh, it might be my nephew. It may be my nephew. Because that's
he's watching. He's getting up early to. Yeah. Has he got that one of those evals too?
Yeah. Got
trying to trade it, or is he just
yesterday.
kind of watching?
He's trading it with, well, if he's doing what I told him, he is trading with 1 micro and 1 micro only until he gets a little bit of a feel for the price action, the movement on that. So
nice. It's a great way to start.
Yeah, I feel bad. I ended up getting the same account as him yesterday, and then I ended up passing it last night. So I'm like, all right, let's go get another one today.
Oh yeah, so you guys can work on that together here. So yes, pretty much made it to the midnight open, that's pretty crazy on that pullback there.
ES is still looking bearish.
25 points lower on ES there. Yeah, I kind of feeling a little handcuffed. Pretty hard to take a short down here on these, you know, on ES and NQ. I mean, it might end up going lower, but I just feel there's a lot of upside that could happen too, right?
Yeah, there's a whole lot of upside.
Music licensing.
Going to need to see some sort of a pullback and a rejection here. Maybe we do have a bearish fair value gap around the 68.51 level. That could be a possible entry.
You say 68.50?
Yeah, well, the starts at 49 and it ends at 53. 68.49, 68.53. And that's right at the point of control.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, I can't be long on this either.
Yeah,
For
of course not.
or for ES or YM right now.
Yeah,
Artlist.io.
everything's looking heavy, but it's like, so we're looking for, probably looking for short entries, right? Just need it to,
I'm not looking for anything long right now.
no, I mean, that would be, I mean, it could be a great risk to reward if it does continue going higher, but
Music
If-
licensing reimagined.
when,
If is
you
the
know,
key word.
trend is staying down, right? So if anyone were to take a long, they got to be pretty careful and just get out pretty fast, I would say. Below everything. Coming up on the point in control right now.
Artlist.io.
And then we got that fair value gap here, just a little bit above it on the ES. So I'm going to wait to see what kind of a reaction we get here.
So is the point of control like 48, 49?
Artlist.io.
Right at the bottom of that fair value gap?
68, 40, 47, 75. But yeah, it's pretty close to it. So quite often, Zach will have a limit order sitting 50% of that fair value gap, looking for continuation.
Music licensing reimagined.
He doesn't have anything queued up right now because he's busy talking on the stream, I think. But so that's how it usually enters. Is he'll like measure out the size of the fair value gap and then put his limit order right in the middle. So like 68.51 area. But for myself, I feel like if we reject out of this fair value gap and then get a closure below the point of control, that would be a better idea, I think. Because, you know, with such a big drop here, we might end up bouncing pretty good, right? Maybe we end up heading to the VWAP first before we end up going lower. So you'd have to stick through a bunch of drawdown.
On ES, VWAP is at 68.56, and midnight price VWAP is 55. So yeah, if this actually if these two cross over, I'm gonna start looking at longs on ES.
Okay. Yeah.
Artlist.io.
But until this price breaks above those prices and retest it a couple of times, again, I still can't be
Yeah.
long.
Yeah. Well, we've seen this so many times where we get these huge sell-offs, like right out of the gate, like that, sort of relatively fast, and then it just bounces right back, almost up all the way back to the entry price.
Oh yeah, it just takes everything that happened and just erases it.
Like it is, it's almost getting back to the VWAP already here. And you know, we have added volatility after FOMC, so anything could happen. YM held pretty nice. It's been going sideways, but
You know,
I almost bought it at 48,261. I was thinking about it.
I just
Would have
bought
been
it
up
now.
like 70. Nice.
We shall see.
Music licensing reimagined.
Does have a small fair value gap between 46 and 62. All right, ES finally got to that New York VWAP.
And then rejected off it and came back down. See what it does again.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
So I just pulled up the YM on the trading view now. It never got down to the bottom of that channel for midnight price and New York price VWAPs, but it's just now breaking through New York VWAP.
Yeah.
Going up. But there is a bearish fair value gap that it's sitting on right now.
Nice. Yeah. It's climbing slowly.
I'm still
here.
not sure I like having those fair value gaps on my chart.
Yeah. Yeah, they can be a little, they can throw you off sometimes when they don't, obviously when they don't react in it. But
Artlist.io.
it is, YM is sort of playing around in that fair value gap right now. But YM's definitely looking. There we go. Look at that. So good thing we didn't take that short on the ES at the New York. Yeah, risk to reward, man. If we would have taken that long down at the bottom of ES, hey, could have been like one of those. That's Tanner. That's a Tanner trade right there.
Yeah.
Take the low and take it at the low and put your stop just sort of a little bit past the low and just try to take it back up. Nice trade on the YM now. YM's ripping pretty good.
I'm up 140 on that now.
Nice. 200.
I'm gonna lock in some profit now. $75.
Very nice. Yeah, there's a good chance that's just going to go straight back to the highs. How long do you got? You got 5 seconds on this candle, so that it inverted that fair value gap. So it could think about trying to take a long here if we get a pullback to that inverted fair value gap now.
Inverted fair value. What at like 330? Is that where you're looking at?
345 to 364. We kind of pulled back. We touched the top of it there.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, it could have taken that long on that fair value gap. It's up 30 points already.
Music licensing reimagined.
Just got my finger on the flatten button right now, getting ready to cancel this.
I keep getting connection notifications from my bookmap.
I keep getting those too. I thought it was just my internet.
You've been getting it this morning also?
Daily, I get that.
Okay, gotcha.
Art.io.
But yes, I've had them quite a bit this morning. Come on, keep going up, YM.
Artlist.io.
Trying to go green. There you go.
Thank you.
Keep going.
Lock in a
This is
little more profit
Keith.
here.
Good morning, Keith. Today's lesson, make sure you check the number of contracts you take. I thought I was
Licensing
going
reimagined.
long 1 YM, filled out. Turned out I was going 5. So glad I had a stop loss. Wow, yeah.
Oh, still
So
have
that
that
was
account?
5 big contracts. Okay, you made it back though. Nice. Good.
Good
Wow,
deal.
look at that bounce there. Yeah, that I should have taken that long on the fair value gap. Too bad there.
That's okay. I got
And
it
now
for
it
you.
looks like, yeah. Now, and yes, all the way back up.
Did ES make it all the way back?
Yeah, yeah, it's all the way back up, value area high.
I got $300 locked in here.
Beautiful trade, yeah.
Music
So I'm up
licensing.
almost
in your
$2
cash
grand
account
on this
again, or-
account. Yeah.
Yeah, nice. That's a wicked day.
This is a great day. It's a great day to be a trader. We're so good
Well,
at
if
this.
you're
they're
on the
gonna
right
make
side.
Yeah. We're so good at this. They're going to make action figures of us soon.
Nice.
Come with little charts.
Artlist.io.
I say that very, very jokingly because
Right back to the open. Yep, totally, Terrence.
All right, locking in 500.
Yeah, damn. Should have taken that inverted fair value gap entry. Too bad. Trying my best not to feel FOMO and do anything silly since I've.
Yeah, don't do it now. We're at high of day.
Yeah, and rejected a little bit.
If it pushes through that high a day, do you? You're not the type that just goes all in on that first push through a high a day, are you?
No.
Normally wait for a couple of.
I mean, sometimes on YM I might be eyeballing that kind of trade because it just can rip. But
All right, got another 625 out of that.
wow, crazy.
Up 2,500 for the day.
Music licensing
Ooh.
reimagined. Artlist.io.
Ooh. I'm gonna grab a coffee here real quick. I'll be right back.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, pretty clean price action today, all things considered. Even though I mean we dropped and we bounced, but like the price action during the drop and during the bounce has been pretty clean, right?
Yeah, it's
Not super
been
choppy.
it's been solid movements through ranges, but just pretty big movements.
Reimagined.
Yeah, that's that volatility from added volatility from yesterday. That was quite the drop in after hours last night too. Hey, just erased.
Yeah.
It was a sell the news kind of situation after
Luckily,
the initial pop, right?
luckily I saw it and managed to ride that most of the way down.
Yeah, I was away from the charts during that time. And then I tried to take up a couple trades down at the lows,
Artlist.io.
and I think I made a little bit of money. Then I gave a little bit of that back. Then I made a little bit of money. So it was kind of like after I took 3 attempts of barely break even trades, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna not bother anymore because this isn't going anywhere.
Reimagined.
Just asking to get burned, right?
Just
And then figures I went to bed, and next thing you know, it just ripped higher. Like I was trying to do longs earlier, and it didn't want to go. So
are you getting snapshot notifications from Bookmap?
no, I haven't got any.
Artlist.io.
NQ's got a lot of orders up around 25,600. It's pretty dark below too.
Music licensing reimagined.
Kind of stalled out here at this current price. So
Yep. Now it's just going to be time to be patient.
yeah,
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
yeah, I need to hurry up and finish Zach's course also.
Don't rush through it or anything, but
Yeah, I'm just
Music licensing.
I'm like about a little over halfway through it. I think I was. I'm at 14 out of 23, but I want to try to get through it twice so I can really lock in those concepts.
Artlist.io.
We just printed a sell ball, 59 contracts at 68.71.25. Sweet day on MNQ so far. Hopefully we don't pull back anytime soon, Czar said. Are you long there, Czar?
Music licensing reimagined.
I actually have 4 people in my X this morning for some reason. So usually it's the other way around. Your YouTube's empty and my X is empty. Like some people are out in the woodworks.
Things are happening.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Everyone's getting the notification that if you want to chill stream, make some money, come hang out.
I mean, we're doing all right.
Yeah.
So far.
Artlist.io.
So far, so
We're doing all right today.
yeah.
Music licensing.
Think ES is going to make it up to previous day's highs? Was that 6,900 and something yesterday?
We just taking it right, taking pre-market highs right now. That's we're getting a bullish divergence between ES and NQ right now.
Artlist.io.
My book map is now talking to me for some reason.
Really? What's it
I
saying?
set.
Go long,
Oh.
Nick. Go long.
No, it's saying order executed at and giving me a price. I
Weird.
set up the large order indicator on this,
Yeah.
and I'm regretting it.
I'm in a long on YM right now. Stops in profit. Very
The high
small
of that?
profit right now, but okay, I just got stopped out on that pullback, so I was copy trading my 4 accounts there, so I think I only locked in a few dollars. Just didn't. Got to be careful up here, so I was aggressive on the stop there. Getting some pretty big volatility at the moment on it. Might be getting a reversal on that pretty soon. We'll see.
Yeah, I think I'm just going to be patient here and wait for a pullback on YM or ES.
Yeah, we haven't really left any fair value gaps on these 5s anyways. ES is just ripping though. Holy smokes.
Yeah, that's
Candle. 8 points on that last candle.
wish I would have
Czar
got
caught the
in
orb
long on that
earlier, holding a long 460 reversal. Wow, Czar. Nice, man.
Nice.
Of course you did. That's exactly
really
what
nice.
I said. I was tempted to take a long risk to reward, and here's ours. Czar did it. That's a total Czar trade right there. Beautiful.
Of course.
Music licensing reimagined.
Czar's gonna have to take my seat here.
Yeah.
Still going.
Yeah. And
Yeah, I'm
NQ's
actually
kinda
starting to like
get
that
back to
long
it.
on YM now.
Yeah. Took the high.
Did take the high. We'll see if it holds it. We got a nice round number just above us though, so for a psychological level, that 500
Well,
is going to be.
500, yeah.
Artlist.io.
Can it break it? I think it can. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
YM just broke the high, Keith said.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Everyone's talking about YM today. Zach's talking about it earlier. You know, Randy and Bruce were talking about it. It's like everyone sees YM today. It's like it's going crazy. Zach just says he just doesn't trade it. So
Neither did I until yesterday.
Artlist.io.
well, it's at 510 now, hey?
And broke through it. I'm long at 514.
Artlist.io.
Ooh, look at it going. Wow.
We'll take it.
Music licensing reimagined.
Bruce took a loss on YM actually.
Really?
Yeah, he probably must have been trying to maybe tried to short it or something, or I don't know. Maybe he entered the short after it pulled back substantially and turned around.
Maybe.
Holy,
IO.
he said, "Holy crap, got out too soon. Might lock out now. Up 190 for the day." Very nice, Keith.
Man,
Yeah,
everybody's
that's a nice
doing
day.
well today. This is great. I'm
Yeah.
loving this.
We got all the veterans in the channel.
Music licensing.
Everyone's doing taking good trades, and Keith said, "I can teach you how to take $50 of a $200 trade by being a wimp."
$50 is still
It's $50.
$50. That's if I had
Keith-
all of the money that I've ever left on the table while trading, shit. I'd be doing Scrooge McDuck backflips into a swimming pool full of gold coins.
Keith said, "I'm falling in love with YM."
I
that's
mean,
cool.
I don't know about.
Don't overtrade it.
Yeah, have a stop loss in. Whew.
We got something
All right.
some sort of news coming up in 1 minute. What do we got here?
So
Natural
I
gas
just-
coming.
Just took 85 on YM micros on my copy traded accounts. So I did $85 to 15 accounts.
Very good. Nice.
And I locked in $20 on my personal account.
Sweet.
And I made $20. So I'm up 1640 something.
Beautiful. $16.40 in that
Oh
account.
shit!
And
I'm
then
up
did you trade-
26. I'm up 26.
Yeah.
Something.
That's what I thought. I
I was
thought
like,
you said earlier
get
up
it?
like 2,500. But then I thought maybe you, because I know you have two cash accounts or something, right?
This is my just straight cash account. There is no stocks, no options, no nothing. This is strictly for futures.
Nice.
My other one. That's weird.
Dow Jones is
I,
even making financial juice call outs right now.
Wow.
Like YM just made all-time high, or not all-time high, but what do they say? I forget now, but they made a shout out there in the squawk box.
Stop staying up so late trading the Dow.
ES is pulling back into this fair value gap that it left.
Music licensing reimagined.
I can't short it based on this trend, and I can't go long at this price. So
Yeah. Lamb's trying to make a new high here,
IO.
sitting at the 550 level.
if I don't take
Randy's
another trade,
promoting we got a get together planned December 19th, Friday.
all right.
Music licensing
And so far he's got like 4 people from the lower mainland coming, and I got 1. So so we got 7 people so far, but he just made a shout out in ASFX to DM him if anyone in Vancouver area wants to come hang out. We're gonna go to so far we're thinking to go to a place in Burnaby. It's a city really close to Vancouver, and it's called a restaurant called Tap and Barrel. So
Well, that sounds.
if anyone's around the area, come hang out.
So I'm in another YM long,
list IO.
48,552.
Nice.
Shit. All right, I'm gonna lock in a couple of points of profit here. So it's 5, 10, 15.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, $30 I'm locking in.
Yeah, YM to the moon. What's gold doing today? Gold is also really strong, sort of like YM.
Gold's been moving. Well,
Yeah.
overnight there was a bunch of the talking heads going on about Oracle's
IO.
outlook and an AI bubble bursting and all that other
Oh yeah,
crap that I don't like to pay attention to, but kind of have to.
fear mongering.
Yeah, essentially.
Licensing reimagined.
But it does get all the retail traders up, it gets all their panties in a bunch about, oh, AI bubble, it's going to burst, and NVIDIA is going to be worth negative $4 by January.
They want them to short this market and get caught in that these bounces. I wonder if we're gonna actually go all the way to the previous day high on ES today. That's the kind of pullback that we need to like get the momentum to get that kind of continuation.
Artlist IO.
Obviously, no guarantee, but
There's never any guarantees.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm gonna take a long here. We pulled back into a fair value gap on the ES here. I got my stop pretty tight, 5 points roughly.
You do that. I'm taking another long on YM right now.
Yeah,
Artlist
Got it in at 48,501. So you're long on ES.
yeah. If we start printing a green candle here, I'm going to put my stop into profit. Come on, bounce it up here.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
This is starting to get ridiculous. I feel like this is just too easy a day.
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
I feel like we're just sitting here printing money right now.
I might take a loss on this one. It's still pulling back a little bit more than I was hoping here.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
A little bit of drawdown. We're starting to get back to my break-even price. Let's see if we can't get a bounce here, though. Not liking it that YM's sort of pulling back a little bit here, too, at the same time.
Yeah, it's starting to
I'm
get a
going to
little
try to
choppy.
take more off if I get a bounce here, and then I'm going to go break even on the balance. So I got a total of 6 on ES right now. So come on, boys. Let's bounce this up here.
You got 6 minis on?
Micros.
Oh.
I'm in one of my
ES.
instant funds.
Yeah, you said ES. I was like, ooh.
Yeah.
The big balls on Dave.
Yeah, I took off 4 there in profit, so I locked in a little bit, and now I'm break even on my 2 contracts left over here. So worst case scenario, I made $50 so far on those 4.
Awesome.
And I'm locked in profit on the remaining 2. So see us go to the highs, guys. Got another 37 in profit right now. Might actually just take one more off here. Yeah, I took one more off there. And now I just got the 1 contract. We're locked in profit. Heading back higher. $65, up 20. I'm going to trail to the bottom of this 5-minute candle here. Body of the 5. I got stopped out. Okay, 78 bucks there. So
I just got stopped out in profit, so I made another $25.
Nice. All right, yeah. So,
but we got a
114
triple top on YM, a quadruple top on YM right now at 48,557.50.
What time frame are you looking at?
5 minute, or no, I'm sorry, 2 minute.
2 minute, okay.
I generally try and manage on the 2.
Gotcha. Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad I trailed up that stop there because I would have been in drawdown here on this on that trade. So,
oof. Well, I am freezing.
I like to lock it in, you know.
Yeah, me too.
Speaking many times, and you know, I guess psychologically, I'm always concerned about the pullback, and then that's obviously the reason I get out too fast, right?
Azar just closed his MNQ, and he's calling it an early day. I might be right there with you.
Terrence said, I took your advice, Nick, on trade management, and it's working out better. Thank you.
Anytime. I don't remember what I said about trade management, but
Probably the whole locking in the greens with the stop.
taking small wins over and over, and occasionally letting a runner just go all to hell.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like today I took a $1,600 trade and then like three $25 trades.
What the contrast, eh? But when it runs, right? So
Yeah, you can't expect them all to do that, but when they do, just enjoy it.
yeah, that was kind of like that short. My ES short there, just kind of like just kept going and going and going, trailing it down, moving the stop down, moving it down. Like, good morning
Hello,
there,
Mr.
Dad.
Stewart. You're 5% on
the-
evals and 1% on live. Yeah, absolutely. I actually like 0.5% on live, unless, and that is a little bit fluid though when I say that, because price action like today, I'll do 1% on a live account.
Yeah, if it's looking really good, you'll throw on a little more risk, right?
Yeah, or what you can do, depending on the size of your account, you can start off, like if you're trading micros or minis, go into your position initially with 3. I like to go in, if I'm doing micros, going in with 3 micros, and then if it's going in my favor, add 1. It won't cut out half of your average entry price. You can still have a stop loss sitting in a profitable area.
It'll only move it up a bit, rather than like if you're in 2 and you bought 2 more, it would like go right to the middle of those 2.
Yeah, it cuts it right in half.
And then,
or if you start off with 1 and add 4 to it. I've done that and promptly lost money. I didn't say it was smart.
Or basically stopped out, in profit right away after, because if you're going to protect it, it's still price.
Excuse me.
43 seconds on this candle. We might be inverting this bullish fair value gap. Oh, they're buying it up right now, though. Okay, Terrence is trading 3 micros. Nice.
All right. Yeah, when you add into 3 micros like that, when it's going in your favor, add 1 at a time, and not quickly either. Another mistake that I've made that you don't want to. You can add into your winners, and just as you add into them, move your stop loss up. Make sure that by the time you add into it, you can move your stop loss into a profitable area, and trading will get a lot easier at that point. Your wins won't be as big because you're going to get stopped out at least 50% of the time. But at least you get stopped out at profit.
It's and it's not easy to add to winners. Most people do it the other way around. You add to the losers. So if you can get in that habit of trying to add to winners,
I never understood the adding into a loser. It makes zero sense to me. I hear, you can dollar cost average it. You can, but you can also try and catch a falling knife.
Yeah, it's when you dollar cost average it, and then it continues way lower than you're right.
And that happens more often than I would like to admit.
Of course, yeah.
But yeah, I stopped adding into losers a long time ago.
I think it's kind of that whole psychological thing about wanting to fix the trade, right? Because you're like, well, if I buy 2 more and down here and then 2 more down here, brings my average price down. When it recovers, then I can get out, right?
So stop thinking like a codependent woman. I can fix him. No, absolutely not. If you're gonna marry a trade, make sure it's worth it.
Yeah, it works until it doesn't, and when it doesn't, and that's when you lose the account, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
Basically.
If you develop bad habits, like we were talking about that on our Bucci's stream this morning on prop firm match. Apparently, Tradeovate now you're going to be able to size out of a mini.
Oh, really? What the
What
heck? What's the point of having
moron?
minis then?
Well, so that way when you're in profit, you can cut it, take 25, 50, 75% off and let a runner go. And that's all
Yeah.
fine and good, right up until the point where one of these assholes starts trading real money in a real prop firm using a real brokerage. And they've been teaching themselves to size out of minis. If you need to size out of a mini, you shouldn't be trading minis. You should be trading micros. You're going to eat your cost and commissions and just suck it up, sunshine.
Yeah. Wonder
Again,
what do they must charge some commissions on the sizing out of a mini too, right?
Oh, I'm sure. Yeah, they have to. But it's only for their prop firm. It's not for their live brokerage, because I have a live brokerage with Tradeovate, and absolutely not.
Which it just defeats the purpose of having minis, right? Like I thought, and then you want to size out in and out, you got to use micros, unless you're, unless you got 10 grand drawdown.
Yeah. But then you're just teaching people bad habits. If you can't hold on to a mini and you feel like you need to size out of it, you shouldn't be trading a mini. That's not an opinion. That's a fact.
Took a few trades. I got chopped up, but ended up 50 across 3 accounts, so 150 in the day. When I missed the big dump and pump, all is good. Yeah, good job, Darren.
Nice job. Terrence normally targets 4 points on average. All right. Not really enough time to size into an account or into your contracts, but
yeah. And I think he's said he was specifically trades ES, so that's $20, and depending on how many contracts you're in. So 3 contracts, $60. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's a good day.
Yeah.
1 loss, 2 wins, plus
loss. Yeah.
50 to 150. All right. Good deal.
Nice.
You know what?
I'm kind of liking the idea of taking a short here on YM.
You would.
We kind of break this low here. So we're kind of in a low volume area. So I could see us get a bit of a pullback.
I can see a pullback, but I'd be very cautious and ready to get out of that quickly. You're above New York. You're actually quite a bit above New York. It's already pulled back 40 points, 50 points. Oh.
I'm in profit now.
Almost 100 points.
Profit. Oh, damn. Pulled back and stopped me out there. Small win.
All right. It's a win, though. Yeah, I'm not comfortable touching this right now.
Yeah, I locked in $6 on that, but I'm copy trading 4 accounts, so that's why I'm being a little extra aggressive on. It would have hit my TP though, actually, just almost right. would have almost hit my TP right there. That's okay.
Were you looking for like a 40-point winner on that one?
Well, I was just looking at the volume nodes here. Like we're kind of like going between a high volume area to another high volume area. So I kind of had my TP sort of. I had put it at 48.63, and I was entering sort of, yeah. Or sorry, no, I had my TP at 55, so it didn't quite get there. But just looking at the volume profile, that's kind of a low volume area that we just passed through.
Gotcha.
But I'm only trading 2 micros and across the 4 accounts, which seems really weird because I have to put like 8 in trade of 8, you know, because it's 4 accounts.
Oh yeah.
And 2. It's like that part always throws me off a bit.
Me too.
And I'm like, how many contracts? Good. How do I do the stop now? Like, you know, like.
I do the same, and then if you add to it,
Yeah,
it's just a big old mess.
the one thing I like about it though is if you know how you click it, you can put a stop, like buy stop or whatever, or sell stop or whatever. If you do it right over top of the other one, it'll like keep them tied together. So when you drag it around,
attaches the orders.
Yeah.
So wait until you start trading a smaller account with a larger account, and you change the sizing on them.
Oh yeah.
Like you'll have a all of your 50K accounts will be on 1 or 3 micros, and then you'll have like one account that's got 10 grand in buffer in it, and you'll be trading 12 micros.
Yeah.
Doing the mental math when you're trying to copy trade those is like doing gymnastics while drunk.
Yeah. So that that short was definitely short-lived trade, and then we had a bullish fair value gap there, and it held. And now look at YM; it's heading back to the highs here. So it was definitely a short-lived pullback there. I was only targeting basically where it went to, but just looking back now, there's this bullish fair value gap, and it held. So might see it make a new high.
So Darren says he's got 250 to make to get payouts on all 3 25Ks. Next week, hopefully we'll get there. So stop thinking about it.
Yeah.
Just stop thinking about it. Trade it the way you normally would. Pretend those accounts don't matter.
Yeah, like, you know, think like you're just starting it fresh even, and just like slowly just keep base hitting it. Yeah.
Think you're right about this new high.
Yeah. That psychological things come into effect when you get that close to the freaking payout. That's for sure. It's like, well, I should just hold this. I'm like 20 away from passing. Just hold it. And then
look at his comment though. He's doing it the right way. It's taken him 7 weeks so far to do it.
Nice. Yeah.
That's perfect.
Well, I really hope you know, I mean, I'm confident you're gonna get that then. It's just a matter of time, right? Slow and steady.
Oh yeah. All right, I'm taking a little break. I'll be right back.
Okay. Yeah, we took the highs on the YM there. That's too bad. Should have taken the long.
Music licensing reimagined.
think I'm gonna go switch to a. Might take a couple trades in the eval right now, since I've kind of locked in some greens on all my funded accounts, and so I'm gonna kind of go to my not so important account now, which is in a bit of drawdown at the moment.
Reimagined.
So this is gold. Why is this gold? There we go. Should be YM now. Yeah.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Locked out one combine up 190. Bought a second 50K just for YM. One trade up 120. Nice, Keith. Printing money today, hey? Found your new baby.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I've made some pretty nice profits on YM. I don't trade it every day, but some days it's definitely the one to be trading, and it's usually pretty obvious.
Music licensing reimagined.
Kind of rejecting off the 49,600 right now on YM,
Artlist.io.
or 48,600, sorry.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Uh-oh. Tried to take a long there on the YM in my eval. There we go. We're stopped out actually. Pretty tight trade.
Artlist.io.
Well, that sucks. I think that was actually when I refreshed the account, it put me in the wrong account actually.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, that sucks. I thought I was in the eval, but when I refreshed it, it put me in a different account. That sucks.
Artlist.io.
Which account was that? Still up. Yeah, that was unfortunately that was the wrong account. I wasn't really planning to trade that one. Should have double checked that after I refreshed it.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Was supposed to be in this account. That sucks.
Artlist.io. Music licensing.
Had to find something warm to wear. Freezing my tush off.
I made a little error there.
Oh no, what happened?
Well, I switched over to. I was gonna try to trade my one eval account, the one that's in drawdown, and then I took a long on the YM, got stopped out for about 150 loss, and then actually because I refreshed it, like I refreshed the page because it was just to make sure that the it was like the trading view page was matching to my trading view charts, and
Gotcha.
it switched me to my funded account.
Oh,
So I took 150 loss in the funded account, not the
Artlist.io.
that's
wrong
not
account.
good.
Yeah. So you got to make sure I double check the. I didn't think it would change it when I refreshed it. I didn't even look. So, well, it's too bad.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So I just looked up our YouTube history. You and I have
Artlist.io.
done this 75 times together now.
Really?
Yep. Soon we're going to be like an old married couple. We're going to finish
All right,
each
well,
other's
.io.
sandwiches.
I'm in the YM short still with one mini, actually, on that same account. Now I'm I made the money back and I'm up $50. So and trailing
right.
it down, still getting more out of it. There we go. I'm out.
Music licensing
Nice.
reimagined.
Nice
Yeah,
trade.
so I'm up 108 from that loss too. So
Can't be mad about that.
yeah.
Yeah, I'm just kind of relaxing now. I'm waiting to see what's going to happen here.
I entered at I entered short one at
Artlist.io.
48 587, and then I added one at 566, and then covered my last one at 545.
Music licensing reimagined.
Very nice, very nice. Well, fix that screw up.
Artlist.io.
All right, let me double check I'm in the correct DGen account now, so I don't make any more mistakes like that. Because that's what I was just saying. I'm like, okay, well, I'm going to switch over to my DGen account now, and since I'm green on the other accounts, I don't want to mess with them. And then
That's
I
funny.
refreshed the screen because when I opened my TradingView chart, it was on gold for some reason. So I refreshed the screen so that it would like match up to my other charts. And then at that point is when it like changed the account, which I didn't know it would do that, but no, learning experience, I guess.
It's funny. I just sent Ercon a message over on Proper Match.
Artlist.io.
I just had to mess with them a little bit while I'm sitting here waiting for a decent price.
I don't see it. What did you
I
say?
am tempted
Oh, there
to-
we go. You're
I am tempted
everywhere.
to go long here.
Reimagined.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ercon trades just like Zach. Is Ercon
Oh,
in the
does he?
Black Shirt Club?
I believe so.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, Zach always says like, man, Ercon, you always get the same strategy and ideas and entries as I do.
I mean, that's not a bad position to be in.
Yeah. Well, he just named ICT style concepts, right?
Artlist.io.
It's getting harder and harder to win free accounts from Prop Firm Match, eh? There's so many people in there now. He's giving away 12 accounts today, though.
Jesus.
Yeah. You know how I've been waiting for that Blue Guardian account?
Licensing
Yeah.
reimagined.
Well, I signed up with BlueGuardian.com instead of Blue Guardian Futures. So that's why I didn't get the account yet. So
That'll do it.
I followed up with them and let them know the mistake, and then they said, oh, okay, well we'll let them know then, right? So we still have a bullish fair value gap on ES here, or NQ, sorry. Nope. What am I saying? Every indice except for the right one. YM.
Do you need to take a break now?
I need more sleep, yeah.
Yeah, I've been
Actually,
yawning all
did
day
we even
morning.
have-
Music licensing reimagined.
Maybe we didn't even have it, actually. There wasn't a fair value gap there because the second candle wick closed it.
Artlist.io. Artlist.
Looks like Zach just got into a short on NQ. I think it's a short. Let's see here. So you have 75 streams in your channel. Is that what you're saying?
Music licensing
Yeah.
reimagined.
A couple of them even have Randy and Christine in there.
Yeah.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, see, like Zach's got I don't know how many contracts he's trading, but he's got like his order says buy or sell 24 contracts. So so and he's copy trading obviously, but
See you tomorrow, Darren.
yeah, Darren, see you tomorrow.
Artlist.io.
I'm not sure what Zach's like, but he has a box drawn on. Oh, it's a 15-minute. Looks like it's a 15-minute bullish fair value gap, or what are you looking at here? Oh, that's a 3-minute. Sorry, it's on a 3-minute chart. Okay. I think he entered on a bearish fair value gap on the 3-minute chart, but he's hoping that this one bullish fair value gap gets inverted, I think is what he's kind of getting his idea from.
All right, my long on YM got picked up at 577.
Nice. Up nicely. It's like 20 points.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
YM's trying to go. Trying.
Music licensing reimagined.
The one thing that I don't really like about TradingView chart is it's a little slower. Like I noticed that you move the bounce on the candle on Tradeovate happens before TradingView.
Yes, there is a little bit of slippage between the two charts.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Why
Trying
I'm
to
gonna
go
hit
higher.
that high,
Yeah.
gonna break that high a day again.
Music licensing reimagined.
It's crazy watching Zach when he's in the trade. He's like constantly bouncing around between time frames and zooming in and out. And
Artlist.io.
yeah, it's pretty intense actually. It's impressive watching him. Like he's just so good with the chart. He just like
Yeah.
different time frames, different like
Artlist.io.
it's pretty cool.
It's cool to watch. It's not something that I want to do though.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's that's a whole lot of noise I don't want to have to pay attention to.
Yeah, for him it just looks so fluid the way he does it. It's just like it's almost like it's just kind of become built in, you know, like, which probably helps you for stopping you from like hyper focusing. Because I know like early on when I was trading the 1 minute chart, I would just be staring at the 1 minute chart for so long, and it's like, come on, go, and just,
Yeah.
you know, bounces up, it goes lower, it goes higher, it goes lower. It's like, yeah,
You just sit there and listen to your heartbeat in your ears.
yeah, like a deer in the headlights, just watching it flicker around. It's like, so I mean, that's why a big part of the reason I mostly just trade on the 5
Music
only now.
licensing reimagined.
Like I barely ever look at the 1 minute now.
I look at the 15. I enter on the 5, and then a lot of the time I'll just manage it on the 2. Unless I've been holding a trade for 15, 20 minutes, then I'd switch it back to the 5.
So we got 7 people in my YouTube channel, and we got 4 in each of our X channels right now. So 16, and then I did queue up the Twitch channel again. We got our one.
All right, got our one robot in there. Nice.
Yeah, it's never got past 1 from what I've seen.
No,
you know,
probably never will. We're not playing video games and dressing up like fairies, literal fairies from Zelda.
Yeah. Music licensing reimagined.
So if he has 24 contracts, but this only shows 2 on TradingView.
Artlist.io.
It's 24 contracts, but it's only showing 2.
Yeah, like, you know, like when he goes to Tradeovate, it shows 20 something contracts. You know, like when he put his stop or his TP or whatever. He got it. He just got hit it. Nice. His TP hit. Oh, he's got a lot of accounts. That's why. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 12 accounts.
Oh, so he was doing 2 per. Got it.
Yeah, that's how the math works out. Damn, that's a lot of cheddar. Pretty sure he's doing. I'm pretty sure he trades minis too.
I'm pretty sure he does.
What a beast! 2 minis.
He is a very good trader.
He just made 300 times 12, so he made 3,600 on that trade. So maybe it was micros. I don't know, but 2 micros.
Either way.
How many points was that?
Music licensing reimagined.
Sort of like 25 points. 25 points. That's $50. Times 2 would only be 100. So he must have been in micro or minis then. Yeah, it hit his TP and then popped right back up almost to his entry after that. Good trade.
Artlist.io.
Oh, I'm debating on whether or not to get out of this YM trade.
Right back up to the highs, eh?
Music licensing reimagined.
Let's see if it breaks that high a day and continues up.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Uh-oh.
Just stop me out
I'm
in
gonna-
profit.
I just took a stop also in that eval account, but not in profit. I took a loss in the eval. I think that was about $85 or $90. That's why I switched to the degen.
How's my degenerate account doing here?
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, wow.
What's up?
I may end up passing this shortly.
Oh, really? Nice.
Yeah. Broke the high a day.
Yeah, I got back in on the degen account. Hopefully it doesn't pull back on me again. Here. Let's get some continuation. And look for about the 50s.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Currently up about 70 in that trade. See if we can't get it to go further. Just put my stop in profit here. Seeing if we can't get a little more continuation on this.
Artlist.io.
I think you can. At least I'm hoping you can.
Uh-oh. Probably stopping out here, actually.
Licensing
Yeah,
reimagined.
stopped it out in profit, but that was quite the wick, man. Holy. Rejected super hard off that high. So I don't know if we're going to be getting much more out of LIM today on the high side. Pretty substantial pullback right there.
Artlist.io.
Going back 40 points on that or more.
Yeah, right back to the 600 level.
Music licensing reimagined.
You know what? I think
Yeah.
oh yeah, it's 11:30. No wonder it's just chopping around here and slowing down.
Yeah, so we might as well end the stream here in about 4 minutes.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, this is wait for this candle to
point
close
to
and
I'm going to upload my orders here. Oh yeah, I did sync some of my funded accounts now on TradeZella,
oh yeah.
so it's easier to upload, right? Like you were saying, you sync those accounts so they can automatically upload.
Music licensing reimagined.
So that one has 388.
Artlist.io.
353, 388. Nice. Yeah. 891.
Licensing reimagined.
Okay, and then I gotta do my top one futures. Gotta individually put those guys in. So this one is.
I do hate that about the Project X accounts, like the top one futures, and the only one that they could do it with was Top Step, where they could automate it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I had to
Sure.
put all my top one and Trade Day and all those other Project X accounts in manually.
Yeah, that's a pain in the ass when you got 30 to do at once or whatever.
Yeah.
Like,
What I started doing was I would just multiply my my trades by however many accounts I was doing. So if I had
Music licensing reimagined.
say I was trading 30 accounts that day, I would just put in for a contract size. If I was trading one mini, I'd just put in 30 minis, entry price, 30 minis, close price, and then do it that way. But it would show up on my TradeZilla as one trade.
yeah,
So it just looked ridiculous. It's like, how did you make 30 grand in one trade on
Yeah.
ES? Well, I didn't. I made $1,000 across, on 30 accounts. And even when I look back at my TradeZilla, sometimes I was confused by my own entries.
Music licensing reimagined.
So I had this, I got this, that account, that 50K account that was $20 away from losing.
Mm-hmm.
And I clawed it all the way back. I've had that since September 13th.
Oh, wow.
IO.
It's been a minute.
Yeah, it's been around. That was actually when I became an affiliate with Top One Futures. Because Randy's connection there, they gave me one free 50K funded account. And
Oh, okay.
that's that account.
And that's
I've
the
been
same
holding
account?
onto it. Yeah. So I didn't squander it. I saved it and I gave it CPR and brought it back to life.
Music licensing reimagined.
That's beautiful.
Heading back up to the 48,600s on YM right now. Okay, so I gotta still update the EV. Did I trade an eval?
Artlist IO.
Okay. Let's see here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Eval 4002.
Artlist IO. Artlist IO.
Yeah, so I have one more eval I need to try to get past here from Lucid. And I think it's at about 1,600 in profit.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, 1,680.
$1,680 in profit.
Yeah, so I got to get that up, 1,320 to pass it.
I was just gonna ask if it was 2,500 or 3,000
Yeah,
to
3,000
pass.
almost.
Artlist IO.
And then that'll put me at 5 Lucid funded accounts. Did I trade my TPT accounts today? Yeah, I did, didn't I? I forgot. I put in 225 in that
Music licensing
150K account. Almost forgot to upload that one.
Don't forget that. You need those.
I wonder if I can auto sync that one. Probably can. It's
Your take
Trade
profit
Evade.
ones, you can. They're on Trade Evade, so you can do it.
Artlist IO.
And that one's been a
Artlist IO.
so the thing that I found is that I had the accounts that I had in Top 1 Futures. Then I went to Trade Evade. I tried to sync them, and then they only synced what was on Trade Evade, and then I had to make an adjustment because they weren't correct.
Music licensing reimagined.
But these ones were correct the whole time. So that's a TPT 150K eval synced 3150 3164. Okay, nice, that works. And then I should probably do my funded account too, which is just update it, which is
Artlist IO.
93. Oh, my life's gonna get so much easier here. Now that I
Isn't that
finally
nice?
finally did this.
It is
auto
great
sync.
when your life gets easier.
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, so that one's 1856. TPT 9317 1856. Oh, that's weird. That one didn't sync correctly.
Mm.
Artlist IO.
Maybe I 1856.
Music licensing
1556. Maybe I need to whatever, clear trades and then resync it. Try that.
I got nothing for you.
I know I was messing with this yesterday, trying to get them all. Trades and then unsync it. Move sync, link, auto sync.
Music licensing reimagined.
Hmm.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, for some reason it's showing 1895, but when I go to my actual account, it's at 1556. I'm
Weird.
not sure what would cause that. And that's one thing you can't withdraw. Like when you go to add adjustments, there's a deposit and withdraw, and then it won't never let me take anything out though. Deposit should be present before withdrawal.
Artlist.io. Music
Yep, I
licensing
am officially done for the day.
Nice. Yeah.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
$3,150.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music
ES is going pretty high right now.
Why I'm just at a new high a day.
Yeah, nice.
Artlist.io.
So how did everybody do today? I think everybody was green today.
Yeah, I agree.
Artlist.io.
Hmm.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right, Dave, I'm getting out of here. Everything is
Okay,
done.
good.
Darren headed out. Keith is gone. Sweet. See you later, Darren.
Nice. Yeah.
All right, Doc. You have a good one. I'll see you maybe tomorrow afternoon when I'm done with Zach. I should be
Nice.
done with Zach early. I don't think I'm going to be on there trading with him. So
Music licensing.
Yeah, I think he usually has people on for about an hour or something.
So I'll see you when I'm done on proper
Cool.
match tomorrow.
Sounds good.
Okay. See you tomorrow.
Okay, peace. I'm just going over my accounts here still, just trying to make sure everything looks good. So 388.75.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
$1,001.
Artlist.io.
Okay, there we go. That seems better. 58. Why I'm short. Okay, there we go.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right, everything seems to be normal now. So just take a quick look at the calendar so far this month. So $4,250. Pretty green on the first week. Now we've continued the greens. I did take basically a break-even day here, $11.30, I guess.
Artlist.io.
Just a little over 2K. We got one more day in the week here, so try to get some more in. Keep in mind that some of these are evaluation wins, but I just keep all my accounts in there, so that's why I haven't locked in the payout yet. Getting a couple accounts pretty close to payouts here, so just keep grinding away. Just got myself up to 4 funded accounts with Lucid now, and I got 2 funded accounts on Top 1 Futures, and I have 1 funded account with Take Profit Trader. So yeah, it's a grind. We're doing good. We're kind of locking in green on the calendar, which is bring that confidence up. My equity curve I was looking at actually the other day, it looks pretty crazy. I had a pretty big loss this day back in I guess that would be October. Boom. And then a bit of a pullback there in November, but it's been overall pretty straight up climb. So pretty happy with basically the last 3 months since about September, October, November. Now we're in December, right? So pretty happy with the equity curve. Just got to keep it up. Payouts will come slow and steady, just making the wins on the battlefield, So yeah, appreciate everybody hanging out. Good to see you all. We got 5 in the YouTube channel. We got 3 in Nick's X channel. We got 3 in my X channel, and our 1 bot in Twitch, which always seems to be there. So appreciate you guys for tuning in. Thanks for all the likes and subscribes. If you guys didn't do that already, would appreciate that. And we will be back live tomorrow morning for market open at 9:15 or 9:30 a.m. Looking to make some more money. So hopefully you guys are green and had a great day. And we will catch you guys live tomorrow. Thanks, Terrence. There, you have a blessed day. Peace out, Darren, Keith. We also had my dad was in here earlier. Czar. Usual suspects all around. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Urcon blessed us with his this morning, and also Daniel. Good to see you guys on the Thursday stream. Much appreciate you guys being here. Thanks a lot. And yeah, we will be live tomorrow morning. So we'll catch you then. Peace out and good luck today. Stay green.